must have been seeing a lot of people make a lot of money on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and you can't seem to join them to make all this money because you are shy, you don't want to show your face. But what if I told you that I found an amazing AI tool that can help you create amazing viral videos that you can use to make money on the internet, you can use to make money on these social media platforms without ever having to show your face? And that is why I'm making this video, to introduce you to this AI tool. And not just that, I'm going to walk you through on how you can use it to start creating viral video for yourself and start making all this money from these social media platforms. So if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. So to get started, the first thing you need to do is to come over to your browser and visit similarvideo.ai. And once it opens, you can see the awesomeness that they provide. Generate AI memes and media in minutes. Transform your ideas into TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube videos without any learning curve. Now, how cool is this? Easy to use AI script to video generator featuring lifelike voiceovers, dynamic AI video clips, and a wide range of AI-powered features. Now, there's so many things you can use this platform to do, and I'm going to be walking you through it all. So once you get here, the next thing you're going to do is to click on Start for Free, because they allow you to use the platform even without having to pay money or without having to register with your credit card or anything like that. You can just go ahead and sign up with your Google account and you're good to go. So now that I've signed in, there are two major ways to create viral videos with this platform, and the first one is create a similar video. That is, you're going to get a viral link maybe from YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, any of these platforms. Once you see a video that has gone viral and you want to replicate that, all you have to do is to just copy the link and then come right here and recreate that. I'm going to be walking you through how to do that. And then for this one is text to video. It just converts your text to video and you're good to go. Now, to show you how to use it, all you have to do is to click on generate with one click. Now, here is where you're going to put in your script. Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and paste in a random script, but it's very, very important to me, right? So go ahead and pay attention to the script. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and click on next. Now, there are different options here that you can choose from. Now, the first one is begin with a hook. You know, all those viral hooks that you see on Instagram and TikTok where a popular person is saying something or someone is doing something silly or funny. So the first 5 seconds of your video is going to be any of the celebrities saying something funny to the camera, and your video can now start. So you know how those viral video goes, right? So that is this option. Then the second option is a B-roll, right? A B-roll of something happening in the background while the voiceover is happening. It's also good, right? And then this one is celebrity sticker, right? So a celebrity is going to be on your video like this, right? It's going to be on your video like this, you know, shaking or saying something, but the celebrity voice will not be out loud, just the background video that will be playing while the celebrity is saying something or doing something just to grab attention. That is what makes the videos viral, right? So the next one is begin with a viral voiceover. So there are so many voiceovers that you can choose from. So if I click on it, you can see a whole lot of voiceovers. Now you can see the rank and hook. So this one has gotten over 782.5 thousand views. So if you choose it, you're going to be getting lots of views and all of that. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and select the first one, which is begin with a hook, where it allows me to select any celebrity that I want to use to start my video. A celebrity that will catch attention, that will draw people in to my video. And there's so many of them to choose from, right? There's so many of them to choose from. You just take your time. Not just celebrities, you can see animals, you can see cartoons, just funny stuff to start your video, which is what sucks people into your video and causes it to go viral, right? So now for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and randomly select one of the celebrities. Let's select Drake, right? And let's go ahead and select this one. Okay, select this one. But if you don't like this, you can go ahead and switch to B-roll footage, celebrity sticker, or begin with a viral voiceover. I'll let you to try it out yourself, play around it, and see what you're going to come up with. I'm going to leave the link in the description so that you can go ahead and visit this platform and try it out on your own. So now that I've selected the hook that I want to start with, I'm going to go ahead and click on generate so that the AI will go ahead and generate my video. So now it's done generating the video. Our video is super ready, randomly, and the next thing we're going to do is to go ahead and play it back and see how it looks, so we'll know whether there's anywhere we can make adjustments. So this is the Drake's intro video, which is going to be what is going to suck people into the video, and then afterwards my video now comes in. So this is what it was able to pick up for me. So now you can see how it pans out. So let's say you don't like some of the images or footages that it generated for you and you would like to make changes, no problem. All you have to do is to come right here. These are the footages that it added for us, scene 1, scene 2, and scene 3. So you're going to go ahead and just click on replace to replace this. You can also replace the hook if you want to. There's so many options right here for you to choose from. And guess what? Everything on this platform is copyright free. So you're not going to be having any issue with copyright. So now I'm just going to go ahead and search for spraying money. So because we are creating portrait videos, then we're going to be selecting portrait videos because it's for short. But if you want the landscape format, just go ahead and select any of the landscape formats. So I'm just going to go ahead and select this randomly and click on replace, and it's going to automatically replace that with the new footage that I've selected, which is this one. And I'm just going to go ahead and click on apply, and now it has been applied to my video. And then this one, let's say I don't like this one as well. Let me go ahead and search for like and subscribe. Okay, talking about likes and subscribe, go ahead and like this video if you haven't done that yet. It serves as an encouragement for me to create even better videos for you, right? So if you want to preview any of the footage, all you have to do is to just click on this icon here, and then it's going to pop up like so, and you're going to preview it and see how it looks. Then you can know if you want it or not. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and select this one and click on replace, and now it's going to automatically replace our scene 2. Okay, and all I have to do now is to click on apply, and it's going to replace scene 2 for us. And then for scene 3, we're going to go ahead and click on replace, and we're going to search for subscribe notification. Okay, subscribe notification. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to randomly select this footage, and I'm going to click on replace and then click on apply to replace the footage. So now our video is ready. It's because I'm working with a short script. That is why it created just 3 scenes. So if you want 4 scenes, 5 scenes, 7 scenes, it all depends on your script, right? So now the next thing I want to show you is the settings. Here you can adjust the music, select the music you want to use, remove it entirely, or reduce the volume. Anything that you want is totally fine. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and mute the music. This is because I'm not sure about the music and the copyright. We don't want to have any issue with copyright. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn down this music volume and then leave the vocal, because it's going to generate a voiceover automatically for us. Now, how cool is this? And then here is the caption. If you want a caption, it's going to give you caption here. So if you play it, you can see the caption here. If you come over to this caption animation, you can see no animation if you don't want any animation whatsoever. And then you can see color up if you want just color for your video. And then this one is bounce out. So it's going to be bouncing in and out just like this. And then here is typewriter if you want it to be typing on the screen, as you can see. How cool is this? So now I'm just going to go ahead and leave it on bounce out. And you also can change the font. You can see the font has changed to red. If you want it in yellow, any color that you want, you can also change it. You can also change the colors and retain the font. So we're keeping this font and we're keeping the color because we like the color. And again, if you don't want the caption at all you have to do is just click here to turn off the caption. But what the heck, we want the caption. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave it on. So now we're done with the video. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on export to export this video to our device. Now, how cool is this? So now you're going to go ahead and input the name of the video. So for this, I'm going to tell you again, please like and subscribe. Okay, so now the resolution, of course, you don't want 480p and you don't want 720p. You're going to go ahead and select 1080p so that you can have the best resolution and get the best of traffic and engagement on your videos, right? So now that we have selected this, the next thing we're going to do is to click on export.
2 seconds later.
So now our video is ready, and the next thing we're going to do is to go ahead and download it to our device by clicking on the video, and then it's going to open here. So now, before I go ahead and download it, I'm going to go ahead and play it back to see what it looks like, right?
I mean, what are you and Nick's doing here? I mean, because he's shut the world down.
Hi, I am Seven Figure Boss, and I welcome you to Seven Figure Boss Academy YouTube channel.
Please like this video if you haven't. It serves as a means of encouragement to keep making awesome videos like this for you. If you will love to see more videos on digital skills and how to make money online, then subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification icon so you will always be notified whenever I upload new videos.
Now, how cool is this? The sound, everything just perfect, just perfect. Then when you want to upload it on any social media platform like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, you can then select a background music that is going to accompany the video to make it even more viral, right? So now that we have this and we like it, we're going to go ahead and click on download to download it finally to our device. Now, how cool is this? This is so amazing. With just a few clicks, we have our video. So with this, you can generate a lot of viral videos. I'm talking about viral videos. There's this second option here that will blow your mind, trust me. So if you come over here, you click on create video, and once it opens, you're going to see create a similar video. What this simply means is that if you see a viral video on TikTok, Instagram, or any other platform and you want to recreate that video, all you have to do is to copy the link of the video. And for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and jump on TikTok, right? So now I have this, and the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on this video, and I'm going to go ahead and copy the link like so. And I'm going to come back to similar video, and I'm going to click on create new. So now I have the link. Is going to go ahead and create something similar to the video that I copied the link. So here I'm going to go ahead and paste in the link like so. And of course, I'm going to put in the brand name, which is 7-Figure Boss Academy. And then you put in the description of your brand. It's optional. If you want to put it, it's fine. If you don't want to put it, it's going to generate something for you. And then the next thing I'm going to do is to click on similar script rewrite. So it's going to go ahead and rewrite that script for us. So now you can see that it has generated a script for us. What it did is that it extracted the script from the video that we added the link, and then it used it to construct a better script for us, which is on this side, right? Come on. now what we are going to do next is to click on next. So now we are back here. So you're going to select the opener of the video that you want to use, whether you want to use the hook or you use the B-roll footage or celebrity sticker, or begin with a viral voiceover. And again, the opener of the video that you're going to select depends on the type of video that you're trying to generate, right? But personally, I love using hook, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and use celebrity sticker. And all I have to do now is to select a random celebrity. So we're going to click on Angelina Jolie. So we're going to go ahead and randomly select this one and then click on generate for the AI to generate the video for us. So now you can see that it has come up with 5 scenes for us, and all you have to do if you don't like any of them is to go ahead and replace them one after the other like we did for the other video, and you're good to go. So why don't you go ahead and try out this platform? I'm going to leave the link in the description. Click on it and try it out and thank me later. And if you want to learn more ways to make money online without ever showing your face, I've put together this playlist for you. All you have to do is to go ahead and click on it to learn more amazing ways to make money online from the comfort of your home. So go ahead and watch it now and thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.